I said it. I said it. That a created a problem in River State. But some of you will not understand. I go play video for you now. The people are divided. How can progress occur in a place or in a society or in a state that is divided? These people are talking their own. These people are talking their own. Right now, though Supreme Court has given a judgment that is supposed to help straighten things in that state. But it ended up making things to go corner. The governor's faction are saying, hey, we are not going to... because from all they are saying, they say it's as good as saying they are not going to obey the Supreme Court order. A Supreme Court order is supposed to be final. If you don't like it, appeal to God. But with the situation of things now, they are giving their own reasons why they will not agree with that Supreme Court order. On the other faction, the wicked people, hey, this is the final bus stop. You must obey, you must obey. And when these two elephants are fighting, is it still the grass that will suffer? Let's not say the grass. Let's call it spade a spade. The state will suffer. The state no be grass. The state, it go suffer. Because grass now, if elephant match up. Within some distance, it go straight again. It go start to grow. But now, if you match the people anyhow, some go by. And if you match them, the matching come too much. They will revolt. And there will be problem. If I'm saying, as if I don't know what I'm saying. I'm going to help me watch this division among the people in River State. Watch!
The Apex Court pronouncements in faraway Abuja automatically created a tense atmosphere in the streets of Port Harcourt, the River State capital. Before today, the premises of both the Port Harcourt city and Obiapo local government areas were a beehive of activities. But not today. Information also has it that many of the council premises outside Port Harcourt city have been deserted by both council chairmen and staff for fear of being attacked. Already, security personnel have been deployed to forestall vandalism. Many on the streets of Port Harcourt would rather not comment on the Apex Court's ruling for fear of being victimized by those belonging to different factions of the lingering political crisis. But some braved the odds. These duo are sympathetic to the faction of the immediate past governor and minister of the FCT, Yesom Wike.
The Martin Samehule led House of Assembly has legislated for since 2023 till date, and they have never withered. They have been doing their legislative business. It's just that the governor do not want them to, do their work. But today, the Supreme Court has laid to rest those burning issues that the governor and his cohorts have raised just because they want to truncate democracy. But today, the Supreme Court of this country, the last hope of the common man, has restored parity.
The Supreme Court was emphatic today when they said there is no government in River State, that the governor has been running the state solely without anybody. In the eyes of the law, there are no commissioners, there are no so-called local government chairmen. The government is empty. It is just the governor and himself, no other person. So what the court did today is just to restate the position of the law, the legal imbroglio in River State. So this is the end of it. There will be no problem at all. It behoves on law enforcement agencies to execute these judgments. And the Supreme Court judgment is executory. Insofar as the Supreme Court has pronounced, the judgment becomes law.
But this public affairs analyst says it is not yet victory for the Martins Amehule faction.
There is no place in the Supreme Court now that they are deciding the fate of the 27 lawmakers. It's not before the court. So let us also look at it critically. Is there any case now that the Supreme Court have looked at it and said the issue of defection, have the issue of defection reached Supreme Court? I don't think that if you do research, that is there. So if they make pronouncement, that will be different. They should wait, or Rivers people will wait until the case will reach Supreme Court. Then they can have valid information to give. So that is it. On the issue of seizing funds, I don't think that it's premeditated, even though the law has said that. You don't seize the money that belongs to the people.
Already, this security consultant is worried about the likely security implications of the judgment on the states.
My advice is for everybody in Rivers State to remain law-abiding. There is no point we are writing against ourselves now because of this. The 23 local government chairman has lost their job and their councillors. That's not the end of their life.
Meanwhile, the Rivers State government has appealed to all residents to remain calm, law-abiding, and go about their legitimate businesses as it seeks clarity on the judgment. The State Commissioner for Information and Communication, Joe Johnson, in a media release says the determination of the main issue of the defection of the 27 lawmakers is a matter that was not before the Supreme Court, as it is pending at the Federal High Court in Port Harcourt.
You don't see am. You where they make argument now. What do you want to argue again? Is the state divided or not divided? Before now, there was peace. Even if you call it peace of the graveyard, at least there was peace. Governance was running. But now, everywhere does scatter. Local government chairmen now, the ones that were elected. So Supreme say they are as good as not being elected. Election null and void. You won't come pursue them. And then we will now have a void in governance. Or people with their own don't expire, their tenure don't expire. The former people that we are there shouting, hey, Fubara, if you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Should we now integrate them back as local government chairmen when their tenure don't expire? Answer me, oh! Answer me. How do you solve this problem now? Amewule and people, those that defected, 27 of them, they have now come back. Hey, we are here. We no leave, no transfer. Supreme Court has recognized us. And they are saying all commissioners that were sworn in by the other house, that in the eyes of the law, true, in the eyes of the law are legitimate. They say they are illegitimate. Commissioners go. All appointments that was done when they were rigmaroling, running from PDP to APC, APC to PDP, say all those appointments null and void. The one where they even break my heart and say, come and represent 2024 budget that has been expended. What does that mean? All the money that was spent, because this was not presented to them, may they refund them. They go refund them now. Salaries refunded. Contracts that were awarded, you go collect back the money. No be problem with this. No be problem with this. Bible say, wisdom is profitable to direct. There is a root cause of this problem, which is defection. Supreme Court, expedite that court action from the lower court. Expedite so that who won't go happy, make it happy, make the thing reach now, so that one go give a judgment. If you say that judgment one give now, say, these people are still legitimate members of the House of Assembly. Everybody go rest. They go start their function. But there is still a pending case in the lower court. Una rush go give judgment. How far? Now that one, that court, that case now, it don't drag from there. They drag. He never ever reach appeal. See the High Court. He never reach appeal court. Make a claim, come enter Supreme Court. Una rush go give judgment. Wait, no be problem with this. At the time that this country, they say we don't have money. We don't have money. Our barrels of crude oil, now we are managed, they sell at 2.something million. Now, with that problem now, if they start to bomb everywhere now, they kill people. They shout, hey, we no go agree. Hey, your mandate to shall start. If they start all those things now, how far can you make progress in a society that there is no peace? Exactly my point. But we no go understand them. Some go still call this commissioner. Talk say, hey, you don't know the law. Hey, you don't know the law. You that know the law, interpret it and let there be a lasting peace, even if a piece of the graveyard in Rivers State, so that governance can continue. You now, we know the law. What is all this? Well, I don't talk about what I supposed to talk, but I won't talk again. You don't be as you go be now. What you want to again? I'll go see una later.
For over a decade, this has been the birthplace of innovation. Innocent Vehicles is a testament to resilience, employing international best practices to create more than just a car. Every vehicle here tells a story of durability, fuel economy and safety. Crafted with the African spirit, the Nigerian heart. These vehicles surrounding me embody the unique concept of regionalization, each one designed to cater to the tastes and preferences of our people. From the streets in Nigeria to the terrains of the Sahara, these vehicles are designed for our roads, for our people. This is more than a vehicle. It's a symbol of our progress, our resilience, our collective success story. Your feedback drives us to continuously innovate and improve. Innocent Vehicle, the pride of African roads.